As white as a ghost, just like I said.
I don't think he's scared the cat anymore.
Why no? We didn't scare him. We gotta yell louder. All right, on the count of three, real loud this time. 1, 2, 3. You guys scared me. Well, let's take a look and see what happened to Freddy. I'm sure you scared Freddy because you sure. Look at that, he's as white as the ghost. I don't even recognize him. We got to bring him back to normal. So on the count of three, everybody here say, "Don't be afraid."
Don't be
afraid. On the count of three. 1, 2, 3.
Don't be afraid.
All right, there's Freddy, right back to normal again.
That's funny.
What's the matter? What, I turned it around?
Yeah, I know how you did the trick.
Yeah, same.
I turned it around? You saw me turn?
Yeah.
Oh.
Take the red thing out.
Take the red and turn it around? Okay. All right. Well, take it out. I'll turn it around. There you go. Is that what you want me to do?
No, take the red thing. Show me the black part.
Oh, you want me to turn Freddy around?
Yes.
Oh, I could do that. All right. Let's turn Freddy around. Okay. Oh, you want to go the other way? Okay, we'll go that way.
Show
You want to
us
see
the
the
back.
back?
Yeah.
Oh,
Back.
okay.
Show us the back.
Oh, okay. There it is.
The back of the red thing.
Get revealed.
Okay.
Here, can I show you?
All right. You caught me. What can I say?
Exposed.
All right, on the count of three. On the count of three, I'll show you the backside of Freddy. Well, what do you think's back there anyway?
White rabbit. Fruity. Nothing. Fruity. Cheese.
No, there's no white rabbit. Okay, I'll show you though. But on the count of three. 1,
2, 3.
2.5, 3, and there's the backside of Freddy. Looks pretty normal to me.